Hey children, life is beautiful for me. Hope it is the same for you. You are enjoying your holidays? No, not really, but still, you are enjoying the lectures at least. Now I'm moving to the lecture 4 where I am further classifying. Classification is the most important thing, that's why I'm giving so much time to it. Now we are further classifying monohalogen derivatives on the basis of the carbon hybridization. So we are further classifying monohalogen derivatives on the basis of carbon's hybridization. That is, whether the halogen atom is attached to a carbon which is sp3 hybridized, or it is on a sp2 hybridized carbon, or whether the halogen is on a sp hybridized carbon. Hence, based on this, monohalogen derivatives of alkanes will be classified into three categories on the basis of hybridization, where halogen can be on a carbon which is sp3 hybridized, halogen can be on a carbon which is sp2 hybridized, halogen can be on a carbon which is sp hybridized. Now, what is a sp3 hybridized carbon? We learnt in 11, but I'm just repeating. I'm not repeating how to find hybridization now, because that we can do in nature of chemical bond. I'm just telling a sp3 carbon will have all single bonds around it. Carbon valency is 4. So sp3 carbon will have 4 single bonds around it. A sp2 carbon will have 1 double bond and 2 single bonds around it. And sp hybridized carbon will have 1 triple bond and 1 single bond around it, or simply it can have 2 double bonds around it. Now let us see examples. First I'll write the examples, then we proceed further. Alkyl halides, I'm taking it in the category of sp3 hybridized, like I'm making an alkyl halide. We have made alkyl halide for 3 carbon, 5 carbon. We'll make it for 6 carbons. Okay. So CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. How many carbons over? 4. So 2 more to go. I'm going 2 more. 1, 2, and C. Okay. Now, if you see carefully, see. This is the halogen. Halogen is on this carbon. This carbon is directly attached to one other carbon. So this is a primary carbon. So I can say this is a primary alkyl halide. Okay. This is a primary alkyl halide. Also, the halogen is on a carbon which is primary, and the primary carbon is having 4 single bonds. 1, 2 and 2 with this hydrogen. So 4 single bonds, so it is also sp3 hybridized carbon. So according to nature of carbon, it is a primary alkyl halide, but according to hybridization, it is a CsP3-X type of halide. That is where halogen is on sp3, that is single bonded carbon atom. Fine? Now I am writing a cycloalkyl halide. Say we take same 6 carbons, but I am making a ring. So 1, 2, cyclo means ring, golu golu, cyclo, golu. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say I put a halogen here. 1 valency remaining, so I am putting a hydrogen here. Here I am putting 2H, here 2H. Here also 2 hydrogen elements, same over here, H2 and H2. Okay. Now, halogen is on this carbon. Now look carefully. This carbon is attached to 2 other carbon, so it is a secondary carbon. So according to nature of carbon carrying halogen, this is a secondary alkyl halide. But since the carbon carrying halogen is sp3 hybridized, this also belongs to the category of CsP3X type on the basis of hybridization. 6 carbons, so it is a cyclo. hex. At the place of alkyl, right? Hex. So this is cyclohexyl chloride. Now we write allyl halide. You know what is allyl carbon? Double bond के बाजू वाला carbon. What is allyl carbon? Double bond के बाजू वाला carbon. So carbon adjacent to double bond is a allyl carbon. I am writing a halogen on a allyl carbon with 2H on it to satisfy the valency, 1H here and 2 here. So this is a allyl chloride where halogen is on an allyl carbon. This allyl carbon is also having 4 single bonds. So this is also CsP3X type. We can name it, this is allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. IUPAC name will be 3-chloropropionene. Think why 3-chloro? Just think. In the next lecture we'll see that. Benzyl halide. We take benzene. I'm making benzene. 1, 2, 3. Benzene has 6 carbon. All the 6 carbons have double bond. Carbon of the double bond. जिस कार्बन पे डबल बॉन्ड होता है that is called vinyl carbon. So benzene has 6 vinyl carbons. I cannot write halogen there because I can't write halogen on double bonded carbon since I am in sp3 category. So I take a side chain and I write the halogen. Now halogen is on a carbon which is attached to one other carbon. So this is also primary. But the carbon is sp3 hybridized. So benzyl halides are CsP3X type. If you look carefully, this is primary carbon, this secondary carbon, this is also primary, right? So this carbon is attached to only one other carbon. And this is also primary carbon. Whether it is secondary or primary, that doesn't make any difference because classification is on the basis of hybridization. Since all of them have halogen on a carbon which has all single bonds, they belong to the category of CsP3X type. Okay, now we move to the next category. You want me to write its name or you remember what we did earlier? Anyway, this is benzyl chloride. Okay, I'm just repeating one thing. Double bonded carbon is vinyl carbon. Double bond के बाजू वाला is allyl carbon. Benzene के बाजू वाला is benzyl carbon. Now we have vinyl halide. यानी कि double bonded carbon. So I am writing double bonded carbon. Okay. On the double bonded carbon, I have to write the halogen. So I am writing a halogen here. H and H2. This is vinyl chloride. This is vinyl chloride. This is vinyl chloride or chloroethene. Chloroethene. Halogen is on a carbon which has one double bond, 2 single bonds, 1 double, 2 singles, so CsP2X type. Now aryl halide, I make benzene. Arene means benzene, so I am making benzene. I made benzene 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So single, double, single, no, double, single, double, single, double, single. 1 halogen I am writing here, rest all I am writing H. If you look carefully, all the carbons are vinyl carbons and halogen is on a vinyl carbon, that is carbon having 1 double bond and 2 single bonds. That is halogen is on carbon having 1 double bond and 2 single bonds. So this is a sp2 type of carbon. So aryl halides are also CsP2-X type. Now see, one more thing. This carbon is attached to only one carbon, so it is primary. This carbon is attached to 2 others, so it is secondary. But both are sp2 hybridized. Now we come here. When carbon has a triple bond, and on the triple bonded carbon there is halogen, and I write one more H. Now this is sp hybridized carbon. So we make the structure say CH triple bond CX. How many carbons are there? 2. For 2 carbons we write it. Carbon-carbon bonding is double. Carbon-carbon bonding is double? No. carbon-carbon bonding is triple. So for triple bond we write ine, ethyne. For the unused bond we write vial, and on that we wrote halide. So we write ethynyl halide or halo ethyne, halo ethyne, where you can write chloro, bromo, iodo, whatever. So this is the classification of alkyl halides on the basis of hybridization. Classification of alkyl halides on the basis of hybridization. One quick recap. CsP3X have 4 categories: alkyl halides, cycloalkyl halides, allyl halide, benzyl halide. खाली ध्यान क्या रखना है, हैलोजन जिस कार्बन पे है वो कार्बन को सब सिंगल बॉन्ड होना चाहिए. CsP2X टाइप विनाइल हलाइड, अराइल हलाइड, खाली ध्यान क्या रखना है, जिस कार्बन पे हैलोजन है उसके पास एक डबल बॉन्ड और 2 सिंगल बॉन्ड होना चाहिए. अल्काइल हलाइड्स, क्या ध्यान रखना है, जिस कार्बन पे हैलोजन है उसके पास एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, एक सिंगल बॉन्ड होना चाहिए. So this is the classification of monohalogen derivatives on the basis of hybridization. Okay, stay blessed. Love and blessings to all of you over there. Enjoy yourself.